Hello. Today I'm going to show you guys how to edit from your cell phone. And that's it. No laptop, no desktop. I'm going to show you how to edit from your phone so you can make sounds for any social media platform, far as Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, without even having to pay for that subscription. Now you can pay for the subscription to eliminate the ads, but I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to edit from your cell phone without a whole lot of hassle. And at the end of the video, I will show you guys how to make sounds that I made from a video when I went out on a boating trip with a couple of friends of mine, and I attached the music to the video, and it won't get monetized. It'll pop up your name as your original sound. But right now, I'm just going to show you how it works. So you got all these sounds. You got side one, well, side A and side B. First, what you do is you find a few sounds that you like. You click a few buttons. I'm going to show you. I'm not going to talk while I do this because I want you to hear it and listen to it and let me know how it sounds. So here it goes. Once you like the sound, you press record, and then it'll record what you're playing. Once you're done, you press stop. It'll go to a saving page. Okay, so I was in the genre of Garage Sauce. Once you go into here, you label it anything that you like. I'm gonna name it Garage Sauce 1 so I can find it. Click save. Once you click save, you go out of here, and then you go to my music, and it's the sound that I just made. Okay, so once that's complete, once you go to any video that you might have made, any pictures that you took, and when it goes to ask if you like to add music, like I know some of you guys already know, you just add your song or your beat or your sound that you created to your video, and when you go to post it on any social media platform, it won't get monetized. It won't cut your sound off, because I know a lot of you guys like to post videos, because I do, and when I post an artist, it cuts off their sound because it's not copyrighted. But if you create the sound that you like, then it won't get monetized. So what I'm gonna show you now is a video that I created with my drone, because I use it for my drone, and at the end of this tutorial I will show you how I added the sound to the video that I made. Okay, so I labeled it boat 3 because that's where we were on. We were on a boat. It was like a fishing trip with a bunch of friends of mine and the kids. But here's the sound. So make sure that you remember this sound, because the video that I'm gonna attach to this, you're gonna see it all in this tutorial. So here is the sound right here. So that was the sound that I just played for you guys, that I'm gonna show you at the end of this tutorial on how I created the sound, and I added it to the video that I made with my drone on a fishing trip that I went out with the guys and the kids. I used an editing app. I will show you guys how to do that in a later video, on how to add the sound to your editing website and put it on social media. And again, I use only my cell phone. I don't use any laptops or any paid subscriptions. You can pay for them. This has a lot of ads. You have to X them out. I don't pay for this, but I have InShot. You can use CapCut. Any type of editing phone app that you use, you just attach the sound to the music or to the video or the photos or whatever you want to do, however you want to do it, to the video. And then once you play it, it'll all make sense later on once you watch it. It takes it's a lot of work, but once you get the hang of it, you understand what I'm saying, because I can actually show you better than I can explain it. I'm learning how to explain things, so just bear with me until I get the hang of this whole YouTube tutorial type of situation stuff. But if you like what you see, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.